All right, guys. Well, we are today on lesson 25. We're going to do something a little bit different today. This lesson is very hard to do virtually, the homework. So you're not going to have any homework for the very first day this year in math. Can you believe it? I know you're sad and you were hoping to get at least a couple hours of math homework tonight, but you're not. Sorry. All I want you to do is you've watched the lesson on the chart and kind of similar to what we ended the lesson with yesterday. Today we're going to do one more little chart. We're looking at lesson 25, and today we're going to do what's called the exit ticket. If you were in school, I'd have you do one every day, but today we're just going to do it together and just kind of look at these properties of prime numbers and composite numbers. So it says I can explore properties of prime and composite numbers to 100 by using multiples. So that's the chart that you just saw presented to you. That's what we were doing. And we're just going to do this little exit ticket just to look at some more properties here. And so we've got to know our prime and composite numbers. Okay, so we're going to talk through this chart here, this calendar, and we're going to follow directions for A, B, and C down here and see how we do on this. Okay, shade in red, we're going to use our trusty pink again. Shade in red, all the composite numbers. Now, what's a composite number? Do you remember? It's a number that has more than one factor, right? It could be prime numbers are just one in themselves as factors, but composite numbers have more than one factor. So all the composite numbers should be red. 1 is not a composite number. 2 is not a composite number. Anything? No. Just 1 times 3. 4 is a composite number. 1 times 4, 2 times 2. Okay. 5, prime. 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. It's a composite number. Okay. 7, no. 8, yes. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. 9, yes, 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. It's a composite number. 10, sure. 1 times 10, 2 times 5. It's a composite number. 11, nope, just 1 times 11. 12 rather, yes, it's got a bunch. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Well, I'll get you 12. 13, no, it's a prime number. 14, sure. 1 times 14, 2 times 7. All the even numbers are going to be composite numbers, aren't they? You want to just go ahead and color. Let's get that done. Let's just go ahead and color all the even numbers. 16, 18, because we know for them that 2 is going to be a factor for every one of them, right? Okay, so if we do all the even numbers, we know all even numbers are always composite numbers. Okay. All right, so we colored all the even numbers. Now, not 2, but all the rest of them. All right. Highlight in blue. Oh, we better check and make sure see if we have any more composite numbers first. So we already got to 13. How about 15? Is it prime or composite? 1 times 15. How about 3 times 5? That's 15, right? So it's another composite number. 17, that's prime. 19, nothing, just 1 times 19. 21, yes, 1 times 21, and 3 times 7 is 21. 23, it's a prime number. 25, 1 times 25, and 5 times 5. Remember, all the numbers that end in a 5 or a 0 are going to be composite numbers because they're multiples of 5 or 10. 27. Think about 27. It's a factor. It's a multiple, rather, of 3. 3 times 9, right? Is 27. 1 times 27. Remember how we said yesterday when you add the digits of the multiples of 3, they equal a multiple of 3? Like 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3? Yeah. 29. Nope, just 1 and 29. 31, just 1 and 31. So now all the prime numbers. All right, so 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Anything else we need to put? Anything else? So do you remember what he said in the video? 1 is not prime or composite. But what was 2 in the video? Do you remember? What times 2 get you 2? Just 1 times 2, and that's it. So 2 is actually a prime number. Okay. So what number is all the numbers that are left? There's only one number left, isn't there? And that is number 1. There we go. And that's your math for today. Just practicing prime and composite numbers, thinking about ways we can find out whether they're prime or composite. And no homework for today, so take a little break. And I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye-bye.